Describe yourself using one word. Yeah. I don't know. Huh. Like asking or telling someone to describe themselves using one word is so difficult because like I feel like when you're trying to be modest and humble, people try to push you into saying some more things. So if you're like, oh, you know, I think I'm just a down-to-earth person, like, okay, well, what makes you a down-to-earth person? Like, oh, why are you pushing me? Or if you're like, you know, if you just say great things about yourself, you know, you come off as arrogant or cocky or stuck up. So like, in my opinion, when you ask someone to use one word to describe themselves, it's very difficult. Also because you're putting that person to only describe themselves using one word when you can use several words to describe who you are. Because if I just be like, oh, well, I'm just throw it out there, temperamental, you're always going to view that person as being temperamental because it's like, well, if they view themselves as being temperamental, well, then they must be temperamental. But then if you're like, oh, you know, I'm like very shy, then they're always going to view you as a shy person. And I don't think it's fair, like I said, to just pin one word on somebody. Like I said, you can use several words. Like people like, oh, you know, what type of person do I think I am? I'm not going to be like, oh, well, I'm this. No, I'm going to tell you the several words that I think I am. I think I'm chilled, I'm laid back, I'm goofy. I do have a terrible side, but like, I don't know. That to me is just like, I don't like it because you're just limiting someone into being who they really are when people are so much more than just one word. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm being very repetitive, but I'm also trying to stress the fact that like we are not just one word. We are made up of so many words because, you know, that's just who we are. So like I said, sticking someone to just one word is just very ill. It's ugh. It just rubs me the wrong way. I know some of you guys agree with me, and I feel like this was like a ramble and like all over the place, but I hope somebody gets where I'm coming from. But thank you for watching, and if you like what you see and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Hey, hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Thanks for watching. Mwah.